Hey guys, I'm Light. In this video I want to show you how I make dark or rough style of the lead in FL Studio. I slowly will try go to FL Studio and make you tutorials in FL Studio. I took these leads from my Viper Soundset. First of all, I will show how it sounds, and later I will show what I did. Okay, let's open pattern and I will show by one. This one, Atomic Lead. It's my Soundset Volume 2. I didn't change anything, I believe. And on the mixer, I cut it out low and I boosted high end. And guys, don't forget this automate. It's always keep the same volume as it coming to. Second lead I used lead share and just cut out this low end. No, something wrong. Ah, right, I forgot. This lead basically plays the really high-end roll. That's why I cut it out a lot of the low end. Third lead is fat draw. The fourth lead is analog and is playing for the mids basically. And basically what I made here in the mixer channel, really nothing fancy for the lead bass. I just added this Pro Q, little bit high and mid boost. Then my favorite plugin, I always use this hip hop puncher, basically in any leads and chords. And really didn't change anything, just this preset. And OTT. This basically I tried fast lead. I will add this same project to the Viper Soundset 2. So if you get this or already have, you can just download it. See you in next video.